So, hello and welcome. The big days here, India versus Bangladesh. We'll preview the things as far as both the teams is concerned. India and Bangladesh. We'll talk about the 11. We'll talk about the matchups. We'll talk about the conditions here, and we'll surely talk about who's going to win this game. But yes, firstly with me, Shamik Chakrabarti, Vaibhav Tripathi, and Bharat Ramraj, and we will definitely, share our experiences also, what we saw in this last 3 to 4 days between me and Shamikda. And yes, Bharat and Vaibhav also spent a day here last day, and we'll take their experiences also. But Shamikda, starting from you, India practicing almost means 3 days. If you take out the last day also, there was 2 days of extensive practice. They went full throttle, and there's nothing new in that after Gigi, especially after Gigi joined. But what do you think about the game today? Are they completely prepared? And about Bangladesh also, I want to ask.
Rohit, as because it's the match day,
Yeah.
we rather talk about team composition.
Sure.
And yesterday at the press conference, Rohit sort of made it clear.
Hmm.
I mean, people are
Give me the 11 then.
people are talking about Shami, Kuldeep Yadav
Yes.
about their fitness.
Yes.
He said they are pretty much bowling fit, and very importantly,
Hmm.
he said it's not about their numbers.
Hmm.
For certain players, for players of Shami and Kuldeep Yadav's ability, it's not about their numbers. It's about getting them back into the fold. So it was important for India to get both Shami and Kuldeep Yadav back to the fold. And
But let me put one important point. He said, hopefully he will find some rhythm soon.
Yes.
About Mohammad Shami, he categorically said this, that hopefully he will find some. That's what we are talking about when we were talking about
Absolutely. Yeah.
the 2 days extensive session of Mohammad Shami. There was clearly one thing which is missing, and that was the rhythm.
rhythm.
So, are you still optimistic about it that yes, he will play, or you think that there will be some kind of ifs and buts?
No,
in
no,
front
no.
of his
I
name?
mean, in a tournament like Champions Trophy,
Yes.
and Rohit made it clear that it is very, very important from India's point of view
Okay.
at the start of the press conference yesterday. So I don't think India will go with a callow pace attack of
Harshit Rana.
Harshit Rana, and Arshdeep Singh.
11 ODIs between both of them.
11 ODIs between both of them. So I don't think in a tournament of Champions Trophy, India will go with the callow pace attack.
Okay.
So it has to be Shami and Arshdeep and Hardik Pandya as the third seamer. Unless Gautam Gambhir decides to spring a surprise and basically drops a fast bowler and brings on both Kuldeep Yadav and Varun Chakravarti.
Okay.
So that is an outside chance, I would say.
Okay.
That is an outside chance because that would be because you might be crippled in that case in the death overs.
Okay.
So I don't think India will take that risk. You can do that in a T20 game, but not in the 50-over game.
Yeah.
So my playing 11 for this game is Rohit Sharma,
Yes.
Shubman Gill,
Yes.
Virat Kohli,
Yes.
Shreyash Iyer, KL Rahul,
Hardik
Pandya, Akshar Patel, Ravindra Jadeja, Mohammad Shami, Arshdeep Singh, and Kuldeep Yadav.
Okay. Okay. Bharat, your playing 11, I really want to know. But anything specifically you are talking or thinking about Team Bangladesh?
Oh, not much different to what he said. Basically, the same 11.
Okay.
That's what I would have told.
Okay. No
No.
Washington Sundar because of the
No,
left-handers
no,
in their top
no.
order, or
See,
any kind of
the
Varun
problem,
Chakravarti,
problem
just for the
with
mystery factor.
the problem with Washington Sundar is, I guess, it's not much of a power hitter. So if you're going to pick him somewhere down the order,
Yeah.
then I don't think you will get much out of him when it comes to his batting. Yes, I understand what you're talking about when it comes to his off-spin bowling.
But
I
basically, you're
guess,
saying that
yes.
he is not your number 8.
Yes,
It's
yes,
too
yes,
down for him
yes,
to play number
yes.
8?
Or he doesn't have the power rating skills. So
Okay.
that's what I would think about. So and one thing I would add about the Indian team is Mohammad Shami. He seems to have lost a little bit of nip. That's what I
Yes.
feel.
Yes.
Yes, compared to how he was bowling in November 2024 in the Ranji
23.
Trophy,
Oh,
Ranji,
okay, 24, okay.
2024
Okay.
in the Ranji Trophy, he's definitely zipping through the crease a little better, but he's not at his best. That what we saw in the 2023 World Cup.
Yes.
So yeah, that's the only concern as far as India is concerned. As far as Varun Chakravarti is concerned, what I would add is if you ask me, I might think of having him, but finally, I guess it's better to go with Kuldeep Yadav because he has the experience, and it's also one-day cricket. Sometimes
Yeah.
maybe in one-day cricket, the opposition can milk his bowling out and he might end up with 1 for 50 of 10 overs. When it comes to Bangladesh, I think the main thing to look at is their pace department, obviously.
Yes.
Right from the time of Hasibul Hussain to now, I've not seen a Bangladesh pace attack this good in terms of bowlers extracting bounce or
And the kind of
little
raw
bit of cutters,
pace.
yeah, bounce, a little bit of cutters, obviously. Tanzim with that nip. So they have an all-round pace attack, and with their batting lineup, I guess it again comes down to Mahmudullah,
Yes.
their experienced cricketer.
Mehdi Miraj also there.
Mehdi has average 67, but strike rate was on the lower side last year.
Shamik, don't want to chip in something. Yeah.
Yeah, Vaibhav, I want to ask you something. It is your first assignment, big assignment, and what do you get to see that in this part of the world, the support will be 50-50.
Right.
Indians and Indian expats and Bangladeshi expats.
Absolutely.
So Bangladeshi fans will fill the stands also.
Right.
It's not a one-way traffic. So how are you in terms of that? What is your expectations as far as the mood is concerned?
And he had a chat with some Bangladeshi fans
You had a chat with some
Yeah,
yesterday also.
When I went to the academy to watch the practice, I was waiting for some of the fans to come and see their players practicing. But against my expectations, there were not a lot of Bangladesh fans. Only one group I spoke to them, and obviously they are coming to watch the game tomorrow. But they are coming with the expectations that India will win this game. India are straight favorites. They are saying that India is tournament favorites. Bangladesh, given their current form, they are saying that if you rank them currently, it's an 8-team tournament. If you rank Bangladesh right now, they will end up getting on the 8th place.
Hi, this is Vaibhav Tripathi reporting for Ref Sports. As you can see right behind me is the Dubai International Cricket Stadium, which will turn into a battlefield as India lock horns with Bangladesh to kickstart their Champions Trophy campaign. It's a big day, it's a big game for both the teams. Given the format of this tournament, no team can afford any hiccups. One bad game and you can miss out on the semi-final berth. So it's a big game for both the teams. It's a fresh start. In the past, it has been seen that India-Bangladesh games have been intense. You remember the Nidhas Trophy final. You remember the 2016 World Cup, T20 World Cup game which was played in Bengaluru, which was won by Hardik Pandya in the last over. That was a last over thriller. Then Adelaide 2022. Again, it was a last over thriller which India eventually won by 5 or 6 runs. So India, in the past, it has been seen that Bangladesh has given tough fight to India. What happens when they lock on in the Champions Trophy for this game is yet to be seen. Both teams have done their preparations. The preparations are done. The players are prepared to play in these conditions. The conditions are obviously going to play a big factor. How the pitch plays is obviously going to dictate terms in this game. And since we are in Dubai and India is taking on Bangladesh, both are Asian giants, so there is a lot of buzz amongst the fans. As we are in Dubai, so there are a lot of Indian fans, there are a lot of Bangladeshi fans. So we spoke to them about this game and much more. Have a look.
Match day -1. I've got Bangladesh fans with me. So guys, बताइए कल का मैच है. कल इंडिया बांग्लादेश दोनों मैच खेलने वाले हैं. पहला मैच होगा उन दोनों का. आप कितने एक्साइटेड है? कौन आप मैच देखने जा रहे हैं? पहले ये बता दीजिए.
हम सब जा रहे हैं कल. बहुत एक्साइटेड है हम लोग. कल मैच देखेगा.
ज्यादा एक्साइटेड है
सब
मैच के लिए.
कल मैच के लिए जाएगा. ये हम लोग का इधर ही है दुबई आईसीसी ऑफिस के पीछे. इधर प्रैक्टिस मैच देखने के लिए आया. सो हम लोग सब कल जा रहे हैं, तो आप लोग भी आ जाओ. सब साथ में एंजॉय करेगा.
तो बांग्लादेश फ़ैन की एक अपील है कि पूरे क्राउड को भर दीजिएगा और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा संख्या में आइएगा. और ये आप एक्साइटेड तो ऑब्वियसली आपने जैसे बता दिया काफ़ी ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड है. अभी ये बताइए कि आपकी इंडिया जैसे हाल फिलहाल में देखा गया निधास ट्रॉफी में इंडिया बांग्लादेश का जो हुआ था, जो दिनेश कार्तिक ने मैच जिता दिया था, उसके बाद हार्दिक पांड्या ने एक मैच अपना T20 वर्ल्ड कप में जिता दिया था. इंडिया बांग्लादेश की राइवलरी काफ़ी अंडररेटेड रही है आखिरी कुछ सालों में और काफ़ी इंटेंस भी रही है. तो आपका कौन सा फेवरेट इंडिया बांग्लादेश मैच रहा है?
हम लोग का लास्ट 2007 में जो था वही मैच हम लोग
मेमोरेबल मैच है.
मेमोरेबल मैच
Okay.
था. हम लोग उस टाइम पे
बेस्ट मैच था जब मुशफिकर ने जिता दिया था आपको. हाँ, तो वो आपका बेस्ट मैच है राइट. हाँ, दिख भी रहा है. तो आप होप कर रहे हैं कल भी ऐसा कुछ रिक्रिएट हो जाए?
इंशाल्लाह
বাংলাদেশ
और
আমরা সবাই দোয়া করি যেন বাংলাদেশ আরো এগিয়ে যেতে পারে, ফাইনাল ট্রফি জিততে পারে. আপনারা সবাই দোয়া করবেন আমাদের টিমের জন্য, আমাদের বাংলাদেশের জন্য.
सच अ लवली कमेंट.
बांग्लादेश जीत जाए.
इंडिया के लिए भी दुआ करना है सब लोग। बांग्लादेश के लिए मेरा एक लास्ट मैसेज है, बेस्ट ऑफ लक।
বেস্ট অফ লাক
और
বাংলাদেশ।
बेस्ट ऑफ लक
হলো সবার জন্য ইনশাআল্লাহ।
বাংলাদেশ
বেস্ট অফ লাক ইন্ডিয়া। বেস্ট অফ লাক इंडिया आल्सो।
बेस्ट विशेस आपने दे दी। आपको अब बताइए कि आपको क्या लगता है आपकी टीम कहाँ तक जाएगी इस टूर्नामेंट में? सेमीफाइनल, फाइनल के आप जीतेंगे टूर्नामेंट?
होपफुली इंशाल्लाह बांग्लादेश विल बी विन दिस ईयर आल्सो।
ओके, दिस ईयर ऑल्सो। लास्ट टाइम आपको पता है कब जीते थे?
2007 में था।
नहीं, वो जीते ही नहीं थे अभी तक। कोई बात नहीं, आपकी बेस्ट विशेस हैं तो होपफुली इस बार जीत जाएंगे वो। तो एक मैसेज कन्वे करना चाहेंगे, कन्वे कर दीजिए अपनी टीम को।
बेस्ट ऑफ लक बांग्लादेश।
বেস্ট অফ লাক বাংলাদেশ के लिए।
चलिए, इंडिया बांग्लादेश का कल मैच है और आज हमारे साथ एक हिंदुस्तानी सपोर्टर भी जुड़े हैं जो कल के मैच के लिए काफ़ी एक्साइटेड है। तो आपका नाम क्या है? आपका नाम बता दीजिए पहले।
मेरा नाम सायराम है, मैं इंडिया से बिलोंग करता हूँ, हैदराबाद से।
तो सायराम, आप ये बताइए, कल इंडिया और बांग्लादेश का फर्स्ट मैच है इस टूर्नामेंट का, तो ये कल आप बताइए, आप मैच देखने जा रहे हैं?
हाँ, हम कल मैच देखने जा रहे हैं। हम भी कल के लिए बहुत एक्साइटेड है क्योंकि हम अभी T20 वर्ल्ड कप जीत के आया है। इस बार भी हम पिछली बार तो चैम्पियन ट्रॉफी 2017 में पाकिस्तान से हार गए। अभी वही बदला लेने के लिए अभी हम 2025 में जीत का माहौल बना देगा।
जीत का माहौल बना देगा। और आप कल मैच देखना है तो किन पे निगाहें रहेंगे आपकी? कौन प्लेयर्स हैं?
कल मैच देखने जाएगा तो मेरा सबसे निगाह रहेगा अभी जो फॉर्म में है विराट कोहली और रोहित शर्मा पे रहेगा, क्योंकि इतने बहुत सारे दिन से अभी न्यूजीलैंड का सीरीज़ हो या ऑस्ट्रेलिया का सीरीज़ हो, इन लोग से ज़्यादा रन नहीं बनाए। तो अभी मैं अभी थोड़ा ये देखना चाहता हूँ इन लोग से, अभी थोड़ा टीम को बर्डन उतारने के लिए इन लोग से बहुत ज़्यादा रन बने और बहुत सपोर्ट दे ओपनिंग पेयर पे रोहित शर्मा और शुभमन गिल।
और जसप्रीत बुमराह इस टूर्नामेंट में नहीं खेल रहे हैं, जो हमारे लीडर ऑफ द पेस अटैक रहते हैं, तो कितना बड़ा ब्लो होगा जसप्रीत बुमराह की एब्सेंस?
तो ये तो बहुत बड़ी ब्लो है इंडियन टीम को, क्योंकि अभी सबसे बेहतरीन बॉलर और नंबर 1 बॉलर जो इंडियन टीम में था,
दुनिया का ही
दुनिया का ही था, अभी वो तो फिलहाल इंजरी से बाहर हो गया। तो अभी मैं सोचेगा ये तो बहुत बड़ा ये है, मगर इस रोल के लिए अर्शदीप सिंह और मोहम्मद शमी उन लोग का कोशिश करेगा, उन लोग का 100% शूट देगा।
और आपको क्या लगता है इंडियन टीम कहाँ तक जाएगी इस टूर्नामेंट
और
में?
मेरे को लगता है इंडियन टीम में भी फाइनल तक जाएगा, फाइनल भी जीत जाएगा।
फाइनल भी जीत जाएगा।
Yeah.
चलिए, थैंक यू सायराम।
थैंक यू।